Want to get your entire semester organized in one beautiful Notion dashboard? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use this free Notion Student Semester Planner. And yes, you can duplicate it instantly from the link below. This student planner is designed to help you manage assignments, projects, notes, and deadlines, all in one clean dashboard. It includes a main dashboard, assignments tracker, projects view, calendar, and a quick notes section. And the best part, you can duplicate this entire template into your own Notion workspace for free. The link is in the description and pinned comment. Hit like and subscribe to get more informative video to organize your life. Let's start with the dashboard. At the top, we have quick links. You can use these to add a new assignment, a project, or open your notes with just one click. Then there is an assignment lists where you can see your assignments in a quick view. And below it, there is a calendar view of your assignments to get a bird's eye view of your semester. Below it, you can see your active projects with a gallery view. And also, there is a calendar view of your projects. Now let's look at how assignments work. Click New and fill in the task name, subject, due date, and status. Once you add the due date, your assignment automatically appears on the calendar below. You can also switch between list, board, or calendar view, depending on how you like to work. This makes it super easy to stay on top of deadlines. You can add new assignments directly from here. And you can also go to Assignments Database and add your assignment data here. Now let's move on to the Projects database. Here I've added the project name, subject, due date, and status. This section helps you keep track of all your projects and stay on top of your priorities, so you never miss anything important. Let's add a new project here. Great. As you can see, it's quick and easy to add new projects. So if we look at the project section on main dashboard, you can see new project is added here. Now let's look at the notes section. Here, I've added a callout block to make it stand out. Inside the callout, I use toggles for each subject, like math notes. When I open the toggle, I can add bullet points for key topics, reminders, or quick study notes. This layout keeps everything organized, easy to read, and lets you quickly collapse or expand sections as needed. It's a simple but powerful way to keep all your subject notes in one place. For example, under Math, I've added points to review formulas, create a summary sheet, and practice problems daily. Let's add a note for Math. You can duplicate it and make notes for your subjects. Let's name it Geography Notes. We can bold it and give it stylish under it. You can add your notes like read Geography first chapter today. When you're ready to use the planner, just hit the duplicate button up in the top right corner. Boom! The whole setup gets copied straight into your workspace. After that, make it your own. Switch up the icons, covers, or colors to fit your vibe. It's your space, so have fun with it. And that's it. You now have a complete student semester planner inside Notion. Click the link in the description to duplicate it for free and start organizing your semester today. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what kind of Notion templates you'd love to see next. I also have some premium templates on Etsy if you want to take your Notion setup to the next level. The link is below.